everybody. All right, very good. Hey guys, welcome to my show. You are very welcome. All right, and thank you very much for watching my show. All right, guys, very good. Look my table. How beautiful and busy. Exactly the way I like it. All right. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a very delicious food. Actually, it's one of my favorite food. All right, and I'm gonna make today, guess what? Osso Bucco. All right, guys, Osso Bucco. It's gonna be good. All right. I want you to know, Osso Bucco you can make with veal, you can make with beef, or you can make with oxtail. Right? This time I'm gonna make with the oxtail because I couldn't find the veal. All right, but it's gonna bring the flavor together. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have here. All right, for the sauce. For the sauce, I'm gonna make. I have here a half lemon zest. I have 1 small onion. I have parsley for decoration. I have a half cup of celery. Also, I have a half stick of butter. I have 6 garlic, finely chopped. All right. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. All right. If you guys doesn't like black pepper, just don't use. All right. Also, I have 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I have a half cup of carrots. I have 1 container, 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. All right. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of basil. I have 1 bay leaves. I have half cup of white wine. You guys can use any wine you like it. I have 1 cup of beef broth. Also, I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I have 1 teaspoon of rosemary. All right, guys, rosemary to bring the flavor together. All right. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of Italian season. Plus, I have 1 teaspoon of sugar. All right. So now I'm gonna go over with you guys for the meat. All right. For the meat, I have a half teaspoon of rosemary. I have 1/4 cup of regular flour. I have a 1/4 cup of corn flour. Also, I have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, just don't use. Also, I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I have a half teaspoon of salt. If you guys need more salt, just add it. All right. Also, I have a half teaspoon of Italian season, and that's it. You guys want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go, guys. If you guys want a good food, you guys gonna need a very good recipe. All right. Please check my YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and like it. All right. I'll be there. All right, guys, let's go. All right. First, I'm gonna start a little bit high here. All right, medium high. First, I'm gonna do my sauce. All right. I'm gonna get my olive oil. Very good. All right. So now, let's get my olive oil ready. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, my oil is ready. All right. Also, I want you guys to take a look at my oxtail. I have 5 large oxtail. All right. So let's continue my sauce. My next step is gonna be my garlic. Very good. After that, it's going to be my onions. Very good. All right, I want to cook this a halfway brown. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. All right, my next step is gonna be my butter. Very good. All right. Very good. You guys can take a look here. All right, it's getting brown. All right, so now my next step is gonna be my celery and my carrots. Very good. All right, my next step, it's gonna be my thyme, my basil, my rosemary, and my Italian seasoning. All right, so let's cook this for a few minutes. All right, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, my next step is gonna be my black pepper, my salt, my lemon zest, I'll stir a little bit. Very good. All right, looking good. Now, my next step, it's gonna be my wine. Very good. Now I have to cook this wine, right? I have to absorb the water, right? So let this cook. Right, and I'll be right back. All right, now I'm ready for my next step. All right, my wine has been evaporated. You guys can take a look. Right, very good. All right, now my next step is gonna be my beef broth. Right, now I'm gonna let this absorb the water too. Right, a little bit. All right. So let this baby cook, all right? Hey guys, that's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, very good, I see you very soon. All right, welcome back. Time to check. Very good. All right, has been reduced. My beef broth, it has been reduced. So now I'm ready for my next step. My next step is gonna be my crushed tomato. Very good. Bingo! All right, very good. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Now, stir a little bit. All right. Now, my next step, it's gonna be my tomato paste. Very good. After that, it's gonna be my sugar and my bay leaf. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer over here, and I'm gonna let this cook. All right. I have not covered. This is the time you have to cover. All right, and that cook slowly, very, very slowly, and low. All right, low, very good. Right now, it's time to prepare the oxtail. All right, the Osso Bucco. All right, so I turn off this, it's off. So let's prepare this. All right, I'll be right back. Welcome back. All right, guys, now let's do this preparation. All right, my oxtail. All right, Osso Bucco, very good. All right, guys, what I'm gonna do here is, this is my regular flour. This is my corn flour. This is my rosemary. This is my garlic powder. Black pepper. That's when the color and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, take a look here. Bring the camera together. My Italian season. And my salt. You guys need more salt, just add it. All right, very good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it up very well. All right, make sure if you guys mix it up very well so all the ingredient comes together. All right, very good. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the oxtail. All right, make sure if you get every angle, all right, it's possible, all the angles, all right, very good. All right, one more, two more to go. So my fry pan is preheat, right? We're gonna fry these babies, all right. Very good. All right. Getting there. Very good. All right, guys. I see you very shortly. All right, guys. Welcome back. All right. I'm ready for my next step. All right. Want to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. All right, I'm gonna leave my Osso Bucco right here. All right, and that's my olive oil. Very good. All right, if you need more oil, just add it. All right. So now let's medium high. Very good. So let's fry these babies, all right? Very good. All right. Check my sauce is cooking very slowly, okay? So, yeah, very slowly. All right, let's cook these babies and I'll be right back. All right, guys, time to check. All right. Smells very good. Smells all over my kitchen, guys. It's gonna taste good. All right. So now it's time to flip. All right. Let's flip this side. You see how you have to cook. All right. You have to cook. See, it has to be brown. Right, and you have to cook in every angle, right? I will show you, right? Very good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. All right, guys. See you very shortly. All right, now it's time for me to flip. All right, guys. You see how beautiful it looks, right? So now you have to cook in every angle, all right? Now I'm cooking sideways, right? So, and after that, I'm gonna cook all the other ways, all right? All the other side, all right? And I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, now you can take a look at the Osso Bucco. All right, nice and brown, beautiful. All right, so now my next step is I'm going to put right here, right? Very good. All right, let me move this that way. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put right here. All right, so now I'm gonna leave this in medium. Right, very good. Good, a little bit more. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my Osso Bucco there. All right, still have to cook more. All right. Very good. All right, very good, guys. Let's cook these babies, all right? And I'll be right back. Hey, guys, all right, time to check, all right? Has been cooked for 1 hour and 15 minutes, all right? So let's see what's going on here, all right? Whoa, that's smells so good. It smells all over my kitchen. All right, guys. Oh, yes, it's almost ready. It's soft. It's soft. It's getting there. Very good. All right, guys. Very good. Looking good. I'm going to let this cook for 15 more minutes. All right? And I'll be right back. All right. Hey, everybody. All right. Very good. Hey, guys. I'm going to show you the final product. All right. Here you go. Beautiful. All right. It's looking beautiful and it's going to taste good. Very simple to do it. Anybody can do it. All right. I have a party for 5 today. All right. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right. Hey, guys. You have to try this recipe, right? I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, guys. Cheers.